Hello again, welcome back to Use Excel and Python, your channel. Today we are going to see how we can use if statement, nested if statement, and also ifs statement. So stick with me to the end of this video. You will have gained a good experience with using if statements. So as you can see from my table, our data is not well arranged. So first of all, we are going to adjust the cells. So we click on cell within our table, then Ctrl A to select the whole table. Here is the shortcut to easily clean your data. We click Alt, H, O, and I. Now as you can see, our records have adjusted within the column size. So now let's start diving into our work. So here we are going to determine the bonus, but we have condition. Here are the instructions we are going to use. So they say use an if function to determine if employees receive a bonus. So if an employee has 3 or more years of experience, they will receive a bonus. We will display a message of yes. But if an employee has less than 3 years of experience, they will receive no bonus. So we will display that with a text of no. So let's dive in. Write equal sign if tab. Now we are going to, our logical test is going to be based on the years of experience. So if years of experience is greater than or equal to 3, then value if true, the value we need if our condition is met, the value we need is yes. So because it is a string, now we use quotations. Excel treat to display strings within Excel, we put them in quotations. So now value if false, if our condition is not met, if the years of experience are less than 3, then we need to put there no. Because it is also a string or a text, we will put it in quotations, no. Then we enter. After that, you can drag. And let's verify if our logical test really worked. So as you can see here, the years of experience was 1, so no bonus. 4, yes, it is greater than 3. He will gain a bonus. 3, yes, it is equal to 3. He will gain a bonus. 2, no. 10, yes, as you can see. Now we can use if statement using logic and we can get the result we want. So now let's see how we can use nested if statement. For nested if statements, as the name implies, it means that we are going to use several if statements within a one statement. So we nested them. So here is the condition we're going to use. So here we have our employees with different salaries. So if an employee gets a salary from 0 to 250,000, he will get a bonus of 2,000. And if an employee gets a salary from 250,000 to 400,000, he will get a bonus of 25,000 and so on. So we are going to put this in one statement, thus nestering different ifs. So we write equal sign if a logical test is we want our salary to be less than 250,000, and if our logical test is true, we give this employee a bonus of 2,000. Now if it is false, we will use another if statement. That's the reason we call it a nested if statement, and we put another logical test. This is when this condition here is false, then we evaluate another logical condition using if statement. Then we say again, this salary, when it is less than 400,000, if this is true, then our employee get a bonus of 25,000. And if it is false, now we need another logical statement to verify this condition. That's why we also nest another if statement. And if this condition is false, now check this logical condition. Again, I need this cell here when it is now less than 800,000. Then if that is true, he gets a bonus of 30,000. And if that is false, he will automatically get a bonus of 40,000. Then we close. We accept the correction. Then, as you can see, let's drag this first down. So as you can see, he had a salary of 700, approximately 700,000, and this is within this range. So he get a bonus of 30,000, and this one had a salary of 1 million approximately, so he is above 800,000, so he will get a bonus automatically of 40,000, and that's correct. So this is how we use nested if statement. And now let's say we are going to find the extra bonus for those employees who have more than 4 years of experience and the salary above 800,000, and are going to use if and statement. So here is how it works. Because of two conditions that both must be met to achieve those results, that's why we use and statement, because both statements must be true. So here we come and we write if. So the logical test, we have two logical tests. So that's why we use and, because also we need those logical tests to be true. So write and. So years of experience must be greater than 4, and also salary must be greater than 800,000. So this is my logical test, and if it is true, we need to give an employee a bonus of 10,000, and if it is false, 0,0. So as we enter, because here I have my data as a table, it automatically fills within these cells. So now as you can see, because he has 1 year of experience, no bonus, but he has 10 years of experience and he get a salary of 1 million, so you get a bonus of 10,000. So formatting your table, your data as table, it automatically fills your column when you apply a formula. Thank you. This is the end of this video. So within the next video, we are going to look VLOOKUP, nested VLOOKUP, how you can retrieve data from different sheets using VLOOKUP. So subscribe to my YouTube channel to continue gaining.